These free, delicious and nutritious HCG recipes offer a variety of meals to kickstart your weight loss journey. They are not your typical diet meals. They are full of bursting flavors and low in calories. Think of savory soups, tasty salads, and so much more. These meals are crafted to be craving killer while you're on your weight loss journey. There's something for everyone on the HCG diet plan. Tantalize your taste buds with HCG diet recipes that are easy to prepare and full of fresh ingredients. Whether you prefer seafood, chicken, or vegetarian options, there are endless possibilities to keep your meals interesting. Say goodbye to bland diet food and hello to flavorful dishes that will keep you on track towards your weight loss goals. Indulge in guilt-free desserts with HCG diet recipes that satisfy your sweet tooth without derailing your progress. From decadent chocolate treats to light and fruity delights, there's no need to deprive yourself while on the HCG diet. With so many delicious options to choose from, sticking to your meal plan has never been easier. Elevate your HCG diet journey with innovative HCG recipes that provide a delicious twist on traditional favorites. Whether you're craving comfort food or exotic flavors, there are endless possibilities to keep your taste buds happy. With a focus on fresh, whole foods, you can feel good about what you're eating while achieving your weight loss goals. Reimagine your meals with satisfying and nutritious recipes for the HCG diet Phase 2. Focusing on lean proteins, vegetables, and fruits, you can enjoy a wide range of flavorful dishes without feeling deprived. From zesty stir-fries to hearty stews, there's no shortage of options to keep you motivated on your weight loss journey. Embrace the power of HCG recipes to transform your eating habits and achieve lasting results. By incorporating a variety of flavors and textures into your meals, you can stay on track with your weight loss goals while enjoying delicious food. With a little creativity and planning, you can create meals that are both satisfying and supportive of your health and wellness. Experiment with new ingredients and flavor combinations as you explore the world of HCG diet recipes. By focusing on fresh and whole foods, you can create meals that are not only delicious, but also nourishing for your body. From spicy curries to refreshing salads, there's no limit to the culinary adventures you can embark on while on the HCG diet. Savor the flavors of HCG diet recipes designed to help you lose weight without sacrificing taste. Focusing on simplicity and balance, these recipes make it easy to stay on track with your weight loss goals. From hearty breakfasts to satisfying dinners, there's a recipe for every occasion that will keep you inspired and motivated on your journey. By incorporating a variety of fresh ingredients and innovative flavors, you can create meals that support your weight loss goals. Contact us today at +27 76 366 0325.